In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change your Spotify password. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance the security of your Spotify account, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get into the details. Are you concerned about the security of your Spotify account? In this short tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change the password on your Spotify account. Watch this video until the end to grasp the tutorial properly. Here's the thing. There's no direct option to change your password on the Spotify app itself. However, there's a simple workaround. To get started, open any web browser you prefer and go to open.spotify.com. Log into your Spotify account and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap View Account. Now, scroll down and you'll find a section called Security and Privacy. Under that, locate the Change Password option and tap on it. Here, you have the ability to change your Spotify account password. Enter your current password, then type in the new password and repeat the new password to confirm it. Finally, tap the Set New Password button to save the changes. And that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Media Magnet Guide channel for more tutorial videos like this one.